Hello everyone, I am Tarun Kaushik and today in this lecture we are going to do the rest of the questions, and we have completed 20 questions in the last video, and we are on the question number 21. Now let us start. The question number 21 says that there are two statements, one is assertion and another one is reason, so we have to find out the correct option. So the assertion is that in India the political parties which form the government represented the majority of seats secured in the election to the House of People at the center and Legislative Assembly in the state, but not the majority of votes. This is right. This is absolutely right, because ये बात बिल्कुल सही है कि किसी भी सदन के अंदर, चाहे वो राज्यसभा लोकसभा हो या फिर विधान परिषद हो, विधानसभा हो, तो उसमें मेजॉरिटी ऑफ सीट होगी जिस पार्टी के पास सरकार उसी की बनेगी. सो assertion is absolutely right. Reason: the election based on the majority of votes decide the result on the basis of relative majority of votes secured. This is wrong. ठीक है, this is not that. So option A is right. Assertion is right, reason is wrong. So option C, that is A is true, R is false. Okay. Question number 22. Which of the following is /R among the function of Election Commission of India? Statement 1. Conduct of election for the post of Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Lok Sabha, Deputy Speaker in Lok Sabha, Deputy Chairman in Rajya Sabha. This is wrong, because Election Commission conduct the election of President, Vice President, MP in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and State Legislative Assembly, State Legislative Council. All these internal politics like chairman, like deputy chairman in Rajya Sabha, this is the Rajya Sabha. So the deputy chairman, DC, deputy chairman will be among the members. Okay, internally they will choose their deputy chairman. Same in the Lok Sabha, the deputy speaker and speaker. Speaker is the person whose party is in the majority or in the government's majority party. He will be among the member. Okay. So option statement first is wrong. Conduct the election of the corporation and municipalities. This is wrong. This is district administration is responsible for conducting the election for this. Statement 3. Deciding on all the doubts and dispute arising out of the election. No. For the election of president, if there is an dispute, then the Supreme Court will decide, and rest of the like booth capturing, all these functions are under the Election Commission. So all the functions and doubt dispute are not under the jurisdiction of Election Commission. So all these statements are wrong. So option D is the right answer. That is, none of the statement is correct. Next, 23. Which of the following electoral system have been adopted for various elections in India? Statement first. Election of direct election. So in the system of direct election on the basis of adult suffrage, बिल्कुल ठीक है. दैट इज़ हमारे यहाँ पे एमपी के इलेक्शन, लोकसभा, एमपी मतलब दोनों होते हैं, राज्यसभा लोकसभा, लेकिन एमपी जो राज्यसभा के होंगे वो सिंगल ट्रांसफरेबल वोट से होंगे, एसटीवी, और लोकसभा के होंगे ऑन द डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन बेस्ड ऑन द अडल्ट सफरेज. So statement 1 and 2 are correct for India's perspective. So option A is the right answer for it. Next, which of the following tax is levied by the union and collected and appropriated by the states? That is stamp duty. Stamp duty is such a tax which is levied by the union and collected by the state government. So option A is the right answer to it. Next, which of the following determines that the Indian Constitution is federal? That is option D. Distribution of power between center and state. This signifies that the Indian Constitution is federal in shape. Okay. Rest of these: written constitution, rigid constitution, independent of judiciary, vesting of judiciary power with the center, residuary power with the center. All these are wrong. Option D is the right answer. Question number 26. Given below are the voting percentage of a political party secured in all three successive elections to the Lok Sabha year 1984. These are the election year and these are the percentage of vote. State factual question. That was BJP government, BJP party, not government. BJP party won these, not won, got these percentage of votes. Factual question. Question number 27. Who among the following are appointed by the President of India? Option A, Statement 1, Chairman of Finance Commission. This is absolutely correct statement. Option 1 is correct. Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission. No, it was done by the PM Prime Minister Office or PM Prime Minister. Statement 2 is wrong. Chief Minister of UT. No, it is Lieutenant Governor. Lieutenant Governor will appoint the Chief Minister of Union Territory. So first statement is right, option and statement 2 and 3 are wrong. So option A is the right answer. Question number 28. The basic structure theory of the Constitution of India implies that. अब हम बात करते हैं कि कोई भी लॉ पार्लियामेंट ने बनाया है, पार्लियामेंट कैन मेक एनी लॉ, बट दैट लॉ इज अंडर द जुडिशियल रिव्यू अंडर सुप्रीम कोर्ट. इफ इट इज violating the basic structure of the constitution, it will be declared null and void. ठीक है. But what is this basic structure? इस basic structure का मतलब क्या होता है? इस basic structure का मतलब होता है, ऑप्शन पढ़ो, ऑप्शन डी पढ़ते हैं. Preamble of constitution cannot amend, no it can be amended. But preamble के बारे में एक बात है कि preamble के अंदर words हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, but we cannot delete the words from that. ठीक है. प्रीएम्बल में हम वर्ड ऐड, जैसे सेक्युलर वर्ड है, इंटीग्रिटी वर्ड है, ठीक है. दीज वर्ड्स आर एडेड बाय 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट इन 1976. सो वी कैन ऐड द वर्ड्स बट वी कैनॉट डिलीट द वर्ड फ्रॉम प्रीएम्बल. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैनॉट अमेंड एक्सेप्ट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द प्रोसीजर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड इन आर्टिकल नंबर 368. बिल्कुल गलत है, मतलब बात तो ठीक है, लेकिन बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर बात, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर का मतलब ये नहीं है. बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर का मतलब होता है बेसिक. व्हाट डू मीन बाय द वर्ड बेसिक? बेसिक मीन्स वेरी एसेंशियल, वेरी फंडामेंटल लॉ. सो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन implies that certain features of the constitution are also essential so to it that they cannot be abrogated, okay, which are very essential. This is called the basic structure. Next question number 29. The DINESH GOSWAMI Committee was concerned with electoral reform. This is direct question. Electoral reform. DINESH GOSWAMI Committee was concerned with electoral reform. Question number 30. Which of the following is not explicitly stated in the Constitution of India but followed as a convention? That is option B. Prime Minister has to resign if he loses his majority in the lower house, and same also for the Chief Minister has to resign if he loses his majority in the Legislative Assembly. ठीक है. ऑप्शन ए, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर इज टू बी ए मेंबर ऑफ लोअर हाउस. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हमारे करंट फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर मिस्टर अरुण जेटली, ही इज़ फ्रॉम द अपर हाउस बट ही स्टिल ए फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया आर टू बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ऐसे कुछ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मैंशन है. In the event of both president and vice president demitting office simultaneously before the end of tenure of the speaker of the lower house of the parliament will officiate as a president. No, speaker will not be officiate the office of president. Instead of that, दोनों vacant है. दो हमारा CGI, Chief Justice of India, will officiate the president office. ठीक है. He will be the president. He will be enact as a president. So that's all for this video, and we will be doing much more questions in the upcoming video, and thank you for watching this video.